Hello everyone, today is Friday, November 12th, and it's a couple of hours after the regular session close. I have another video today from Trader Jim, and I have a couple of important announcements and a few things to discuss. First, we have two BWT clients that qualified for a combine with Leeloo using the Autotrader. And so I want to show you their certificates here. So this is the first certificate. They came to me about a day apart, and this person qualified using the Autotrader exclusively, I'm pretty sure, I think for both of them. And here's the other one. So two people this week. So I just wanted to show you the email. This came in Wednesday, and this is what he said. Just wanted to let you know I've qualified for a Leeloo funded account for $25K. The Autotrader certainly is the tool that makes a big difference in speed, execution, and versatility. I enjoy very much the YouTube videos. So there you have it. The Autotrader made a difference for this person. And then the second person to qualify wrote me in Skype and said, "Thank you so much for the Autotrader. God bless your dedication and commitment to the development of the software. I managed to qualify for the Leeloo Combine. Thank you again." And you can see my reply here. So congrats to the BWT clients who qualified for a Combine this week using the Autotrader. Well done, great job. Okay, so I had a rather frustrating today. As you can see, I had 3, 6, 9, 10 days in a row. Wait, 3, 6, 9. 9 days, 9 winning days in a row. And today I got disqualified because I hit my maximum drawdown in a day. And it's my own fault. I got too aggressive with trading. But the biggest lesson here, again, I was trying, some new things, and it worked very well, but I actually had hit my goal of $1,000, and I did not stop trading. So it's my fault. It really does come down to trader discipline. I was trying too hard to make my money back, and at that point I was making bad decisions, and I got caught in a trade, and I did not get out, and I got stopped out. And it just goes to show how difficult trading is and how badly you need to follow your plan, like Trader Jim says, and have the discipline to trade. If you look at the summary here, I was still up quite a bit, but you have a rolling drawdown, and I didn't realize where I was. I thought I still had plenty room to go, but I didn't, and so that's pretty aggravating to draw down like that and get stopped out. Now I will reset my combine at $75. And on that note, I want to talk about why a combine is the best way to go. Why trade your own money? If this was my own money in my own account and not trading this combine, I would be so stressed out. I mean, I'm still stressed out about it, but I would be devastated. So trading the combine, the monthly fee that you pay pales into comparison to the thousands of dollars that you might lose in real money trying to figure out how to trade and to hone your skills and to test your ideas. So I think it's well worth the price of admission at a few $100s a month and whatever reset fees you happen to pay. So it's back to the drawing board for me. I had 9 days in a row of really solid performance, and it just took one day to blow it. So this time around, that's something I'm going to be working on, and hopefully I'll get it right on this next combine. It's there's no shame in having to requalify for a combine. It's just each time you get a little better and you improve your skills, and that's what it's all about. Okay, just a couple of charts here I wanted to show. This is the 100-tick line break with a $1,000 goal. There was one loser here and 3 winners, and hit. This 100-tick line break, however, was stopped out for the day. And I have a different start time on this guy at, this one is at 9:30, and this one here starts at 10:20, and that's why they're different. Now this is the third or fourth day in a row for this wicked line break chart. I've shown it numerous times, and it's hit its goal of 1,000. So this, you can see the wicks on the line breaks. This has a 32 tick pullback. Kind of the same money management as the 100 tick, except this is a wicked line break, and this one starts trading at 12 noon. So this has hit its goal 3 or 4 days in a row, and it starts trading at noon. So I think that's pretty interesting to note. Okay, let's have a look at Trader Jim's video for today.
November 12th, 7 a.m. line break chart. This one targets, as I showed you before, 2100, risking 1200. Set up the recording here real fast, trying to get at least the first target hit on this trade because we are close. Looking shorts only, not interested in longs. I think we're gonna have a down day today, so looking lower, possibly to that number I mentioned a number of times, 790. Let's say if they can reach there. The only way I get bullish is, well, here is first target. Bullish is only above 12,000. If we can trade continuously above 12,000, I mean, I'm not just talking a spike of 12,000, but continuous trading above 12,000, then we have 12,080 on the upside and possibly higher. But unless they can do that, I am definitely looking lower toward anywhere between 810 and 790. All right, trying to catch this Super Inco 6 trade. Hopefully the recording is running. I think it is. Okay, it's going to be real fast. Here is first target. Again, interested in shorts only. 10 o'clock now. Super Inco 6, 2 contracts, targeting 500. First target hit already. Just waiting for the second. So pretty choppy there. I really expected a more powerful move down. Instead, they kind of were going back and forth, at least so far. It's still early. Overall, definitely looking closer to 800. Here is second target. Okay, good. All right. See what else I can record as the day continues. So, was hoping for 790. They might not give it to me, so activated the Autotrader on longs at this area. This is still good. Anywhere between 790 and 810 is good. So, still got some time. Super Inco 6. Targeting 500. Okay, well, they waited all day to start to move in the afternoon. The morning was just a nightmare. They finally begin to move now. So they're gonna bounce either here or from 790. Of course, there was no way of knowing, and I just did not want to miss the opportunity here. Maybe it's a bit premature. That's always possible. But this is a solid area. Should hold. All right, here we go. Target 1. Now they're moving. A bit higher to hit the daily target. A few more points higher. Here we go. All right. Target hit with bad negative slippage. Rough day today. Got some negative slippage here. That's okay. So at this point, unless they actually go down to 790, I am done for the day. This was a challenging day for me. Just really choppy in the morning. Made some back in the afternoon. Overall, I am still slightly down for the day. Not a lot, but I am slightly down. Let's see if there is another opportunity before the day is over. See if they'll actually test 790. The 90 was touched. They actually got there. So our trader is on longs. Let's see if we can catch a long now. They should bounce from here. Same exact template, Super Renko 6. They should bounce from here. And here it is, first target. And second target, real fast with nice positive slippage. Finally, all right. All right, perfect, waiting for the 790. They spiked it down to 88, just the perfect location. Autotrader takes a long, again, very difficult to do this manually, happens really fast. But the Autotrader qualifies a long trade, first target, second target within seconds. Whew. Okay, so I am done, but let me show you the line break. So the line break, those of you who traded the Nasdaq today, or at least looked at the Nasdaq today, you saw what a horrendous chop this was, and so this template just could not withstand this very choppy conditions. So first trade was actually a decent short, got first target. You can't see the wick here, but it came fairly close to getting the second target, and then prices shot up. I disabled the long side. I did not want to take a long. I was pretty much bearish from the beginning of the day. I preferred the short trade, so there was no long here, which also would have been a losing trade, but did not take that long. And on the short, no, it's a real shame. You see, this template has a $1,200 max loss, which is I set up because I didn't want to take a big loss. So $1,200, and the reason it backfired on me today was because I was already down, maybe, how much was I down? Maybe 600 or so after the loss on the second position here. And so I only had $600 left with two contracts. That's nothing on the Nasdaq. So when market retraced higher, you can see the wick here, but prices retraced. And so I was taken out with a max loss. The Autotrader will take you out, which is for your benefit. The Autotrader takes you out when you hit the max loss for the day for a particular chart. And so, but what happened was, after hitting that loss, market sure enough went down. I always say this template always has at least $1,000 move per contract every day. And so when you look here, right, from, call it maybe around 70 down to, again, you cannot see the wick, but it was around 80, around 88 or so. Was the low here. So, you know, this is, considering very choppy and kind of a difficult day, this template really filters out a lot of noise. So on this template, it looks like it was a straight move down, but those of you who traded today know that it was not a straight move down. There was a lot of back and forth, and unfortunately I got caught over here and taken out, and then the market moved without me. So today this template takes a loss. I short pretty much every day. It takes more winners than losers by far, and as I've showed you, the target here is almost twice the loss. So this template is doing well, even though today was a losing day for it. Just the conditions in the morning were not suitable for this kind of a template. So I had to pretty much work with the Super Renko 6 to make up for this loss, and I've done it. So At least it's not a down day, but I definitely don't have much to show for it. I am probably done for today, and try again tomorrow.